Hi guys, this is Ravitej here, and this video we're going to talk about three important things as a beginner you need to get your fitness on track. Whether it is weight loss, whether it is fat loss, you can definitely get this results with following the three important steps. Alright, so let's begin with the first step. I'll not beat around the bush. Let's go on to the first thing, which is your workout plan. You need a proper workout plan. What does the workout plan should consist of? First thing is, when are you training? Which days are you training? Right, so whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're giving a rest on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, giving a rest on Sunday. So I would highly recommend following this pattern, because I do it and my community does it. They get amazing results with this. Your body need rest, right? And strategically placing in the middle of the week on Thursday and one at the end of the week, which is on Sunday, is working very well for us. You can also do the same thing. Second thing, decide a time for your workout. If you do not have a time dedicated for it, there's a very high chances you will not be able to do it, whatever you may try. So have a dedicated time. It can be like 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yeah, 45 minutes you can do it, 7 to 7:45, 7:15 to 8 o'clock, like that. Just make a time for yourself and get it done early in the morning. Finish it up. Eat the frog, as Brain Tracy says. Eat the frog. Whatever is difficult for you, do it first thing. Second thing, what you need here is every day have a certain muscle group what you're training. So giving example here, Monday we train upper body, yeah. So Tuesday we do lower body training. On Wednesday we do core workout with a little bit of cardiovascular session. Thursday is rest day, right? When I say rest, it's not that we are not doing anything. We are active, we are moving a lot. All of that is happening. Friday is full body workout, where you train all the muscle groups in the body. And Saturday is usually we do yoga, and Sunday is the rest day. So that's why entire week is properly scheduled. If you want to know about the proper training program, I'm gonna give you a link here. You can register for my free masterclass at this particular link, coachravitej.com/live. In this, you can register for my free masterclass, where I'll be sharing you more about my community, how you can join the community, all of that. This is the first thing, which is workout plan, right? The second thing, what here is nutrition plan. Now, nutrition plays a very vital role, right? So first thing in nutrition, what you need to take care about is your protein intake. And as per the World Health Organization, the bare minimum protein your body requires is 0.8 gram per kg of body weight. And as per recent survey, 80% of the Indians are deficient in this protein intake. Okay, and what World Health Organization recommends is on a very baseline level, not on a higher level. If your goal is weight loss, fat loss, you should have at least 1.2 gram per kg of body weight to 2 gram per kg of body weight. So let's take example, somebody is at 100 kgs, they need 120 gram to 200 gram of protein per day. Got that? That's the first important thing in terms of your nutrition is important. Second thing, if your goal is weight loss or fat loss, then you should be in a calorie deficit. What it means is, whatever you're consuming should be lesser than what you are burning. So in my masterclass, free masterclass, I also teach you how to calculate this, or say how you're going to calculate how much your body requires, what is TDE, what is BMR, all of that I'm going to also explain to you. So register for the free masterclass, so that you can, the link is in the bio, into the description, you can check it out. This is the important thing about your nutrition, is also include fiber in your food. Okay, have enough amount of water intake in your food, so in your diet, so that your metabolism on point. Okay, with good amount of fiber, your also digestion is in point, so you are excreting, there is no constipation, all of this is happening across. Okay, so that's the second thing, which is nutrition plan. The third one, and most underrated one, as I see with many people, many trainers not even mentioning this, is your mindset plan. There has to be a mindset plan. If you do not have a mindset plan, a lot of people are struggling with consistency only because they don't have the right mindset. So for that, what I do personally, and also my community does, is we listen to something called a Stranger's Secret audio. This audio is very powerful. All right, I'll also mention that link where you can listen for free. This is the 30 minutes audio from Earl Nightingale, and that has literally rewired my brain. And initial 90 days of my journey, I listen to it every single day, twice week, 2 times a day. You should listen to it and take notes, make mate of. You're gonna see that your mindset is gonna be totally shifting. Yeah, I'm not kidding. This has been very, very helpful for me. Second thing in your mindset is right goals. Goal writing is very powerful, and while you're writing the goal, you are using your senses, not just your imagination. You are writing your goals, you are putting it certain specificity, you are writing it down. That's going to be very powerful, and you will see your actions are going to back your goals, because when you're writing your goals, your action are going to be determining. Let's suppose you are going to say that, hey, in this month I'll be losing this many kgs. I'll be looking at like this, there will be this much inch loss. When you're writing these goals, you will not eat the junk food because you are writing these goals. So just thinking about this will not help, but writing these goals is going to help you a lot. So write down the goals every single day. What I do is I write down 20 goals per day, right? So 2 pages, I'm going to fill it out with my goals. Some are immediate goals, some are long-term goals, all of that is there. But writing these goals is going to be very helpful for you. That's the second thing in your mindset, right? So this is very important. The third important thing is goal card. Having a clear goal card, right? So goal card is very, very important. With this goal card, what will happen? Your mind is gonna be very clear about what you are really intending to be. Okay, I was thinking about showing this goal card. I'll put a screenshot into the screen itself. You'll see how the goal card looks like, and it's a very simple thing where it has a definite goal, and in that you just read that goal card every single day, at least twice. Read it, visualize it happening, that goal possible for you. This is third important thing, is your mindset. And I would say to you, this is the most important thing for your transformation, not just in a weight loss or fat loss in your fitness, but in your life. Your goal card is going to be very, very powerful, right? So these are the three things. Let me show the first one, which is workout plan. Second one is your nutrition plan. Third one is your mindset plan. And if you want to join my free masterclass, where I'm going to give you a proper implementation plan for your weight loss or fat loss, click on this link below and register for this free masterclass. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed yet, do subscribe it right away and register for the free masterclass. See you in the next one. My name is Ravitej. Excited to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.